Hello, our lovely students! Welcome back to the Active English Lab channel.
Hey everyone, I'm John, and here with me is lovely Lily.
Today, we're going to cover a really important topic. What are the 3 most used words in English directions that nobody ever teaches you? And why can saying straight ahead sometimes sound rude? Today, we'll learn these secret rules.
Yes, Lily, this is really important because giving and asking for directions is one of the most needed English conversation skills in daily life.
Absolutely. And please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us a lot and allows us to make more amazing lessons for you.
Let's start right away. First, we'll begin with the most basic question. How do you ask for directions?
Most people start with, where is? For example, where is the hospital? This is correct, but a bit dry. You can ask more politely.
Exactly. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the hospital is much more polite. Let's practice together.
Repeat after me. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the hospital?
Great. Another polite way is, sorry to bother you, but I'm looking for the train station.
This is a lovely expression. Sorry to bother you means, I'm sorry for disturbing you. This is really a polite beginning.
Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Sorry to bother you, but I'm looking for the train station.
Perfect. Now it's time to give answers. When someone asks you for directions, how do you respond?
This is where those secret words come into play. First one, landmark, a reference point. People always use important buildings and monuments when giving directions.
For example, go straight until you see the big red church, then turn left. The red church becomes the landmark here.
Second secret word, block, used a lot in America. Go 2 blocks and turn right means go past 2 street corners, then turn right.
And the third secret word, past, to go buy something. Go past the supermarket. Walk by the supermarket.
Without these words, you can't give real directions. Let's repeat together. Landmark, block, past.
Now, let me tell you why straight ahead can sometimes sound rude because it's too short and cold. Better, keep going straight ahead for about 5 minutes.
Yes, Lily, this is really important because adding time is very important. People want to know how long they'll be walking.
About 5 minutes, roughly 10 minutes, around 15 minutes. These expressions are very useful.
Now let's give an example direction. Repeat after me. Go straight for about 10 minutes past the pharmacy until you see a large blue building.
Excellent. Now let's talk about turning left and right. Not just turn right, but more specific expressions.
Turn right at the traffic lights. Turn right at the lights. Turn left at the corner. Turn left at the corner.
And very important, at the intersection, at the crossroads. Turn right at the intersection is very useful.
Let's repeat. Turn right at the traffic lights. Turn left at the corner.
Perfect. Now let's move to distance expressions. It's very close. It's very near.
It's within walking distance. You can walk there.
It's about a 5-minute walk. Approximately a 5-minute walk. This is a very practical expression.
Or it's just around the corner. It's right around the corner. This is also commonly used.
Repeat after me. It's within walking distance. It's about a 5-minute walk. It's just around the corner.
Now, let's learn more complex directions. Sometimes a place requires multiple turns.
Right. For example, go straight for 2 blocks, turn left at the bank, then take the first right.
Understanding these long directions can be difficult. So here's a tactic for you. Repeat each step.
So straight for 2 blocks. So 2 blocks straight. Repeating like this is very helpful.
Then left at the bank. Then left at the bank. Confirm step by step this way.
And if you get lost, ask this. Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that?
Or, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry, I didn't understand. This is a very polite expression.
Let's repeat. Could you repeat that, please? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Now, a very important point. Be patient when giving directions. The person might not have understood.
Yes, and if the person giving directions speaks too fast, say, could you speak a bit slower, please? Could you speak a bit slower?
Or say, I'm not familiar with this area, and ask for help.
This is a very honest and polite approach. People want to help you more.
Let's repeat. Could you speak a bit slower, please? I'm not familiar with this area.
Now, we live in the technology age. We use GPS, but still need to ask people.
Right. Do you know if there's Wi-Fi around here? Do you know if there's Wi-Fi around here?
Or, my phone died. Could you help me find? My phone is dead. Could you help me find?
These situations are very real. Technology isn't always reliable.
Let's repeat. Do you know if there's Wi-Fi around here? My phone died. Could you help me find?
Now, let's talk about visual clues you can use when giving directions.
You'll see a big yellow sign. You'll see a big yellow sign. Color is very important.
There's a coffee shop on the corner. There's a coffee shop on the corner. Businesses make good landmarks, too.
It's opposite the park. It's across from the park. Opposite is a very useful word.
It's next to the pharmacy. It's next to the pharmacy. Next to is also very common.
Let's repeat. You'll see a big yellow sign. It's opposite the park. It's next to the pharmacy.
Now, let's learn more specific location expressions.
It's on the ground floor. It's on the ground floor. It's on the second floor. It's on the second floor.
It's at the back of the building. It's at the back of the building. It's at the front. It's at the front.
These expressions are very useful in big buildings, especially for hospitals, shopping centers.
Let's repeat. It's on the ground floor. It's at the back of the building. It's at the front.
Now let's talk about emergency situations. Quick directions for places like hospitals, police stations.
Where's the nearest hospital? Where is the nearest hospital? Very important in emergencies.
Is there a pharmacy nearby? Is there a pharmacy nearby? This can also be vital.
I need to find a police station. I need to find a police station. Clear and direct.
In these situations, people are usually very helpful. Don't panic, speak slowly.
Let's repeat. Where is the nearest hospital? Is there a pharmacy nearby? I need to find a police station.
Now let's learn directions related to public transportation.
How do I get to the train station? How do I get to the train station?
Which bus should I take? Which bus should I take? A very practical question.
Where's the bus stop? Where's the bus stop? Basic but important.
How much is the fare? How much is the fare? Money matters are important too.
Let's repeat. How do I get to the train station? Which bus should I take? Where's the bus stop?
Now let's learn polite expressions you can use when giving directions.
I'm sorry, I'm not from around here. I'm sorry, I'm not local. Honest and polite.
Let me think. Let me think. Don't rush. Give yourself time to think.
Actually, you know what? Let me ask someone else. Actually, let me ask someone else. If you're not sure, redirect.
This is very important. It's better to redirect than give wrong directions.
Let's repeat. I'm sorry, I'm not from around here. Let me think. Actually, let me ask someone else.
Now let's learn confirmation expressions you can use when receiving directions.
So if I understand correctly, confirmation is very important.
Let me repeat that back to you. Let me repeat that back to you. This is also a great tactic.
Is that right? Is that right? A short and effective confirmation question.
This way, you prevent misunderstandings.
Let's repeat. So if I understand correctly, let me repeat that back to you. Is that right?
Now let's talk about how different terms are used in different cities.
In Britain, underground. In America, subway. For metro.
In Britain, lift. In America, elevator for elevator.
In Britain, car park. In America, parking lot. For parking.
Knowing these differences is very useful. Adapt according to which country you're in.
Let's repeat. Underground and subway. Lift and elevator. Car park and parking lot.
Now let's talk about the importance of hand gestures when giving directions.
Hand gestures are very important when speaking English. People are visual learners.
When turning right, move your hand to the right. When going straight, point forward.
When saying that way, point in the direction with your finger. This becomes very clear.
And when saying over there, point to the distance. Hand gestures support speech.
Body language is sometimes as important as English.
Now let's talk about the importance of timing when giving directions.
When saying it's about a 10-minute walk, be realistic. For someone walking slowly, it might be 15 minutes.
Instead of saying it's pretty close, give exact time. People plan according to this.
It depends on traffic. It depends on traffic. This is also an important addition.
Especially warn about traffic for places you'll drive to.
Let's repeat. It's about a 10-minute walk. It depends on traffic.
Now let's talk about note-taking techniques when receiving directions.
Take notes on your phone or write on paper. Could you wait while I write this down? Could you wait while I write this down?
Let me just note this down. Let me just note this down. A very polite request.
And could you spell that street name? Could you spell that street name?
Names can be difficult. Don't hesitate to have them spelled out letter by letter.
Let's repeat. Could you wait while I write this down? Could you spell that street name?
Now, let's learn how to correct when you make a mistake while giving directions.
Sorry, I meant turn left, not right. Sorry, I meant turn left.
Actually, let me correct that. Mistakes are normal. Correcting is important.
I think I gave you wrong directions.
Honesty is important. People are usually understanding. The important thing is giving the right information.
Let's repeat. Sorry, I meant turn left, not right. Actually, let me correct that.
Now let's talk about combining online maps and directions.
You can also check it on Google Maps.
The address is, giving a clear address is very helpful.
It should be easy to find on your phone.
In the modern age, the combination of technology and human help is best.
Let's repeat. You can also check it on Google Maps. The address is, it should be easy to find on your phone.
Now let's talk about cultural differences. Direction-giving style is different in every country.
In America, people explain in great detail. In Britain, it's shorter and more concise.
In Canada, they speak very politely and slowly. In Australia, it's relaxed and friendly.
Knowing these differences is important for adaptation.
And being patient everywhere is the most important rule.
Now let's learn how to end a direction conversation naturally.
Thank you so much for your help. Politeness is important.
I really appreciate it. This is also a beautiful expression.
Have a great day. A positive ending.
And the person you're talking to might also say good luck.
Let's repeat, thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it. Have a great day.
Now let's combine everything we've learned with an example.
We'll have a complete dialogue. I'll be the tourist, Lily will be the local.
Great. Let's begin.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you, but I'm looking for the central library. Could you help me?
Of course. It's not too far from here. Go straight for about 5 minutes past the big green park.
Okay, straight for 5 minutes, past the green park, then what?
Then turn right at the traffic lights. You'll see a tall blue building. That's it.
So straight 5 minutes, past the park, right at the lights, blue building? Is that correct?
Exactly. It's about a 10-minute walk in total. Very easy to find.
thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Good luck and enjoy the library.
That was a perfect dialogue example. You saw all the techniques we learned.
Yes, politeness, repetition, confirmation, thanking, everything was there.
Now it's your turn. Repeat this dialogue, switch roles.
If you're giving directions, stay calm, speak clearly, be patient.
If you're receiving directions, repeat, confirm, take notes.
And remember, this isn't just about directions. This is about building confidence, communication.
Every direction conversation is an opportunity for English practice.
Don't be afraid. Don't hesitate to make mistakes. People are understanding.
And always remember to be polite. Politeness is a universal language. Now, homework time. This week, give or ask for directions from a foreigner.
Test what you've learned in real life. This is the best practice method.
And share your experiences in the comments. How did it go? What did you learn?
We're always here to support you.
Well, friends, today's lesson ends here. We learned so much.
Giving and asking for directions will be much easier for you now.
And remember, the key to practice is repetition. Listen to this lesson again.
You'll notice something new every time you listen.
Please, please, please subscribe to our channel and share this video.
Thanks to your support, we can make more useful lessons.
Until we meet in the next lesson, may your paths be clear.
Goodbye, friends. Keep speaking English.
Now, homework time. This week, give or ask for directions from a foreigner.
Test what you've learned in real life. This is the best practice method.
And share your experiences in the comments. How did it go? What did you learn?
We're always here to support you.
Well, friends, today's lesson ends here. We learned so much.
Giving and asking for directions will be much easier for you now.
And remember, the key to practice is repetition. Listen to this lesson again.
You'll notice something new every time you listen.
Please, please, please subscribe to our channel and share this video.
Thanks to your support, we can make more useful lessons.
Until we meet in the next lesson, may your paths be clear.
Goodbye, friends. Keep speaking English.